I'll wait till the morning. I'll fight this alone. On my road to ruin, I'll follow you home. Whenever we'll get there, we'll start with a name. Two kinds of behavior. I'll take three for the team and play again. You showed me the fire in the desert sun. I felt the desire and the warring had begun. When all this is over, I really wanna know, is this a disaster or a monumental hope? Oh, hopes. I'll cherish my demons and lead them to fire. Most of the time I hear angelic choirs. Oh, with you I'm weak, but I'm nothing without you. Can anyone show me a way not to lose you? Someday, someday. Be still and be patient in the dead of the night. We're all different people all throughout our lives. Like a breath on a mirror, we're fading away. Is this the end of the beginning, or is this just a trick to make us stay? I'll cherish my demons and lead them to fire. Most of the time I hear angelic choirs. Oh, with you I'm weak, but I'm nothing without you. when every step forward is another add-on. Through every break and fall, we need to stay strong. And as time goes by, we get settled in our ways. No matter how hard we try, the feeling stays. You get right through my shield, like raindrops on a field. You pour down the dry cracks, and the earth comes alive. Wherever there's love, there's bound to be strains. We push on through the rain. I know that things must change. I want to live again. I want to live again. Throw it all at me. The spoiled kid, the golden child. We both know who is right, through the screaming and the wild, through all the tears and all the pain, the late night deliberations. You know I'd do it all again. Yeah, I do it all again. You get right through my shield, like raindrops on a field. You pour down the dry cracks, and the earth comes alive. Wherever there's love, there's bound to be strains. Oh, we push on through the rain. Oh, I know that things must change. I want to live again. I want to live again. sky is dripping gold and wrapping around me. Life can be so wonderful, warm and gentle light. Nothing's gonna bring me down, I'm feeling so divine. Life can be so wonderful, warm and gentle light. Nothing's gonna bring me down, I'm feeling so divine.
Feeling divine, I'm feeling the vibes. I feel like it's more than just a feeling, what we could define. Let's break through the ceiling, see what limits that we could defy. Cause I could do anything I want, it's for me to decide. Bring you up to speed, take the wheel, let you drive. It's alright on a dark road, let the fire in us be the light. Day and night, yeah, we only seem to free our mind at night. That's just life, that's just how we pay the price.